It's difficult. It is difficult. I mean, you are getting prizes, so it has to be difficult. Not be easy. It's called Shashi Kapoor Prince Charming. Prince Charming. Once again, Prince Charming. You don't even think twice. You know what Prince Charming is. It's English. In Marathi, they are using this. So, this is easier, I think. It's a Hindi/Urdu film, Ismail Merchant. And it has a name in English, based on an English novel, the same name. It's mostly about the decline of Urdu poetry. Starring Shashi Kapoor.
Shashi Kapoor and Zakir Hussain is also there.
No, maybe that much I don't remember, but Om Puri is also there.
He's recording all the.
Yes.
But
So
I'm missing the name.
I don't know. I'll ask them whether this prize can be given.
In custody.
In custody.
Yes.
Yes, in custody.
I found this one, so I can't.
Prize. Okay. So this is a 2013 Hindi horror comedy. That's very much the clue. 3 is not 2013, and 3 is not English. We are in that thing, right? So it has to be English. So, and it challenges a very touristy slogan that you all know.
Touristy slogan?
Bhutnath.
Not a touristy slogan. And it's obviously in English. So, touristy slogan, touristy for one a certain place, definitely.
Welcome to Sanjay.
Not really.
Okay.
But this is the kind of a thing because, Gangs of Wasseypur kind of thing where we have English and it's a film called, I don't know whether you've seen it, I liked it. It's called Go Goa Gone. So Go Goa Gone. This is zombie. It's a horror comedy. It's quite nice. I mean, if you are into that kind of thing, surprisingly. And this is a very successful 2007 romantic film with a hybrid name. Cannot give you any more clue because it's too easy.
Can you repeat the question?
2007 romantic film.
Jab bhi main
Exactly. Exactly. It's
God
basically
watching this movie.
reviving the whole series of names, like bunch of combined names. So, okay, the name of the city is now different. Indian city. It's about food. Okay. And the description of that food says nothing about the actual thing, but it's a very famous kind of a thing. The clue is the city with a changed name now. The change is not recent. That would be problematic. So,
Madras Cafe.
no, it's food. It's an item of thing that you can cook, but that's Hindi. We are in the English thing.
Mysore.
Bombay duck.
Bombay duck.
Bombay.
You don't know Bombay duck?
Yeah.
You should. You should not watch. You should have Bombay duck. It's also called bombil. Fish. Yes.
Okay.
Right. Then Anuja Chauhan created this slogan in 1998. Iconic slogan for a brand, soft drink.
ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला.
But that's not entirely in that. Coca-Cola is a proper noun, so right. It's easy.
तो पानी ठंडा.
ये दिल मांगे मोर.
He said.
He said that. Excellent. So, excellent.
Next time say louder.
So, this is the last question. I have already asked 9 questions, and it seems a lot of prizes are left. So, it's an Indian food arrangement with an English name. it involves two things. One related to some kind of wheat or flour. The other can be anything, any vegetable or meat or anything. They come together and they create this particular thing. It's very popular in my part of the country.
गुलाब जामुन
English. English. Once again, I mean, to be fair, I guess. Or you guys are not that interested in food.
You should ask about Punjabi food.
Yes, true. But Punjabi food has resisted English names. I actually researched before coming here.
Let's do some basics around that.
It's already a roll. It can be kathi roll, egg roll, chicken roll.
Egg
Whatever
roll.
roll is not an Indian word. You don't say, chicken ghumake.
Chicken
You don't say that. So I think I'll end here.